Good evening guys. Today I'm proudly present to you my unboxing and my first impression on my new case for my Samsung Galaxy ZFold6. This time around it is from Spigen. It is called Spigen Tough Armor Pro P. As you all already know, Spigen, they are a famous well-known brand for making a high quality and durable case for your smartphones. Personally, I am a big fan of this brand, so I know very clear for myself that I have to at least get it one for my new phone. I'm lucky to get it for only $57 from Taobao, China. It is priced very similar to my previous S Pen case from Samsung. I decided to go for this Tough Armor Pro P because it is the only one with a stylus storage, as you can see. Okay, I would love to see the stylus storage on their Slim Armor Pro lineup, but sadly it isn't available at the moment. It is come in two color, black and Metal Slate, and I go for the black one. Okay, let's look around the outside and inside the box. Okay, as you can see, the Spigen, something you want. Here is the image of the case itself. It's the black one and there is no S Pen included, but I already have one from my S Pen case, so I don't need to buy it separately. Here is some, okay, here you can see the language, the Chinese language from China. Okay, let's unbox it. Okay, nothing else. Okay, here is the front part. Here is the lens screen cleaning wipe. Okay, here is the paper instruction. Okay, you have to clean it and you have to leave it 5 minutes after installing. Okay, here is how to remove it. As you can see, it uses some additional adhesive tape. Here is how to install. Okay, the rear part is easy to install, but the front you have to remove adhesive tape and then you have to apply it. Okay, here as you can see how to include the S Pen. There is some clip to open the kickstand, and yes, the kickstand is set. It can be a little bit wobble on the surface, and you have to pull at least 90 degrees for a stable kickstand. Okay. Here it's what I like about this case. You have an additional adhesive tape. I don't see one on with my original S Pen case. So nice job, Spigen. Okay, here is the front part. As you can see, it's not too thick. You can see some corner protection, a lot of tape. Okay, here is the back part. Okay, it's all black. There is no texture on the back. Okay, it's fairly thick, as you can see. Okay, you can see a little tough armor. Here is Spigen. Okay, there's no volume broker cover. Something you want. Here is the ink protection. Okay, okay, here is somewhere you can put the finger in order to pull the kickstand. Okay, here is the S Pen storage, and when you close it, you have some clip over there. Okay, as you can see, you have to push it a little bit hard in order to close it fully. Okay, let's compare it with the original S Pen case. From the first touch, you can feel that the S Pen case is a little bit slimmer, but if you look it side by side, especially around the S Pen area, you can see that it is the same thickness. Okay, as you can see. And if you look side by side like this, surely the S Pen case is slimmer, but when you compare it by the S Pen area, storage area, it is the same. Okay, and it feels both very premium. Okay, wow. Okay, let's try it on. Up. Here is my ZFold6. Okay, let's put it. Okay, for the front part, I don't think I need to remove the adhesive yet, because I think I have another case review coming, but I can put it temporarily like that. Okay, wow, it look very nice. Okay, wow. So the case feel very well built, as you already know from Spigen. It made of a premium polycarbonate material for ensure durability. It has a very big hinge protection, which is for me very strange. However, it function as a kickstand. Okay, as a kickstand, and also as a hidden port for your stylus. Okay, let's get the stylus up here. You can put the stylus here. There is no clip mechanism. No, you can have to put and pull it like this, and then you have to close it and up here. Okay, to your additional information, it is compatible only with a Galaxy ZFold5 and ZFold6 S Pen full edition. And as always, from Spigen, you guarantee a drop protection by a raised edge. Okay, as you can see the front screen, it has a fairly high raised edge, so you're not afraid of it dropping like this. Okay, and also the camera protection. Okay, here you can see the camera protection, and you can see how thick the back area is, looking at the flash. Okay, and also it has an air cushion technology, and if I'm not mistaken, this case is also compatible with a wireless charging, but sadly I don't have a wireless charging pad now, so I can't show you that, so sorry. So my first impression is I feel very like this case. I feel very protective. However, it make my ZFold6 a little bit more bulky than it normally is. It is a very complicated feeling, especially with the big hinge protection. But however, when I hold it this time, I feel I holding like a normal phone, but with a smaller screen. Before that, I'm holding a smaller phone. Okay, so for my first note, I wish there is a cover for a volume rocker. As you can see, there is a space here. I don't understand why it is an ultra protective case, but it didn't cover that part. Maybe they afraid it will disturb the fingerprint functionality. I don't know. And second, I feel the kickstand is a little bit flimsy for a $60 case, and since the back is fairly thick. Why they don't make the embedded kickstand like the one that you may see from a suitcase or iPlazen one. And third, I wish they design more style for it, like perhaps a texture from the back, or carbon fiber, or some design for the more creepy for the feeling, or make the case more interesting, not a very boring black brick like this. But still it feels still good. It's typical Spigen. So do I recommend it? Temporary, I would say yes. I will testing it for 1 month and I will compare it mainly with my original S Pen case from Samsung. Also another case is coming from Nilkin and I will make some video about it. So please like and subscribe if you like this content. Thank you all and bye bye.